Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through this makeup look that you see on the screen. We are going to be going full out glam for the fall. I have a beautiful green halo eye look planned, and I'm super excited to share this look with you guys. So if you are ready and if you are pumped to get through this makeup look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. I'm going to start off the look by taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to use this concealer to keep my eyeshadow in place throughout the entire day, and it's also going to cover up a lot of the discoloration and veininess I have going on my eyelids. So we're going to blend that out with our damp beauty blender and then set it with a translucent powder to prevent it from creasing. To start off this beautiful halo eye, I'm dipping into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Taking the color Top Secret on the segment E40, I'm going to begin by stippling this into the crease. And after I have the eyeshadow placed in the area of the eye that I want it to be, I'm going to focus on blending it out afterwards. Then switching over to an E20 using that same color, I'm going to focus this color and intensify it in the outer V and in the inner corner, leaving the center of the eyelid empty for our eyelid shade we'll be applying soon. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to apply this right on the center of the eyelids where we left that gap open for our eyelid shade. And I'm going to top off the Jumbo Eye Pencil with Makeup Geek Shadow in Jester. So I'm going to pop that on and we are good to go. Going back into Top Secret, I'm just going to reapply this in my outer corner and my inner corner as well. And we're going to blend out the outer edges of the eyeshadow we just applied on the center of the lids. And I'm going to finish off the eyes with my favorite lashes from the drugstore. These are the Ardell Double Demi Wispies. Moving on to the face, I'm going to prime really quick. I'm using the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer to blur out all of my pores and basically make them disappear, because when you use this primer, you're practically going to have no pores. It's that good and blurs out your skin. It makes it feel like a baby's butt. Just being honest. And as far as foundation goes, I'm going to use the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear 24-Hour Wear Foundation. I'm going to blend this out with my damp beauty blender. I've been obsessed with this foundation as of lately. It gives beautiful coverage, blends out super easily, and lasts all day. I would highly recommend this foundation. Next, I'm going to take on some concealer. I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, which I have been obsessed with lately. It's so beautiful, gives full coverage, doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and just looks gorgeous on. So I'm going to apply a very small amount, because a little does go a long way. So I'm going to apply this on the areas where I want to highlight or cover up any darkness. So once I have it applied in that area, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my damp beauty blender. And I'm going to set my concealer using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair. I'm going to pack this on the under eye area to bake and set the concealer in place. And then I'm also going to bake the bridge of the nose and the chin to prevent my foundation from breaking down in those areas, since that's where it typically does break down. Then taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and use the powder to set the rest of my face. Using my Morphe M143 Deluxe Fan Brush and Anastasia's Original Contour Kit, I'm going to take this palette and contour. I'm going to chisel the cheekbones so my face looks snatched and I actually have some dimension to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out and get a good contour look going on. Going back over to the Armed and Gorgeous palette, taking Top Secret and an e.l.f. eye shading brush, I'm going to smoke this out along the entire lower lash line, and I'm going to build up Top Secret on the outer lower lash line to give it some dimension as well. And by now, I think our powder has been sitting on the face long enough, so I'm going to go ahead and dust all of that away, and our face is set. It's going nowhere. Next, I'm going to apply Morphe's liquid lipstick in Nibble. I love this shade. It's gorgeous. It's perfect for fall. And this is by far my favorite liquid lipstick formula from Morphe and from any brand, really. I just love this liquid lip and it's just gorgeous and finished off the look beautifully. Now, look would not be complete without some highlighters, so I'm going to mist my tapered highlighting brush from Sigma with some setting spray. And taking my Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia, I'm going to take Helia, which is a very pretty green highlighter, but has more so gold reflex in it than green. And I'm going to pack this onto the cheekbones to add some glow to the skin. And then I'll be applying that on the bridge of the nose and the chin as well. And of course, the inner corner of my eyes to open them up. As for the blush, I'm going in with the Smashbox blush brush, and it's in the shade Chiffon. They do not sell it anymore, but I just went with something a little bit peachy, and it finished off the look beautifully. I'm going to tightline using my Urban Decay Glide On Eyeliner in 0. I'm going to do it on the upper lash line, and I'm also going to do it on the lower waterline as well. And to blend my lashes together, I'm going in with the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm going to apply a thin layer on the lower lashes and then going to blend the lashes with my real lashes together with the mascara. And that will complete this fall green halo eye makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the look. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos I'll be uploading on my channel, because you definitely don't want to miss out. Jesus loves you guys so very much. You have a fantastic day and a great rest of your week. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.